Alright, so we have successfully downloaded the AutoCAD software, and now it's time to install, right? So it takes some time, and you can see it's preparing for installation, and it takes some time since the size of the software is 3.9 GB, and extraction and installation takes a little longer, probably 20 minutes and above, right? So I'll pause the video. On the flip side of the video, we'll see how it gets installed. Yes, it takes some time. It will go multiple times, like preparation for installation. Right, as I said, like it takes multiple time to reiterate the scenario of preparing for installation. Please be patient. I think we can minimize this for a moment. Now we'll see the procedure to install the Autodesk software. Here it is. So I'll just move this a bit. Alright, so now the agreement, so you can read through the agreement carefully, and once you have done, you can give a, say, I agree to the terms of use. Just scroll it very quickly. Has got a lot of provisions and something like that. So what we are using is the student version, so just education standalone individual license, right? So and click next. Once you have done, you can click next. So it will ask me for the location. So I generally install in the C folder, and I don't have to change. If you want to change, you can click this, and you can probably navigate to the respective folder you like to install your system, I mean software. So I'm going to put it in C drive, program files, in the folder name called Autodesk. Since I've already installed Autodesk Revit, so this folder is already created. If you're installing the Autodesk product the first time, especially the AutoCAD, then you have to create or something like that, or it will be generally in Autodesk folder, right? So I'm going to click install. Yeah, it takes some time. Please be patient. I'll pause the video. On the flip side of the video, we'll see the installed software, right? You could avoid or rectify those errors by reinstalling, right? So since we have reinstalled, and it's 94%, we'll wait for a couple of minutes, and once it is done, we'll show you how it's done. I mean, the installation is done. It's really quick, and yeah, here it is. Like you can start the product while install finishes, something like that. So it takes not more than few minutes. Right, so the installation is complete. It asks me to restart the system. I'm going to click not now, right now, so that the screen capture gets interrupted. So I'm recommend you to restart your installation. And for this video, we just put not now, and install complete. And I'm going to click finish. Right. So this is how the AutoCAD gets installed in your machine. I'm going to close this for a moment. So a quick recap. So the installation, the AutoCAD, just current version is 2023, and I've taken Windows 64-bit English language, and I've just clicked on download now. But you can download through browser download or install now directly from the server, Autodesk server, but it requires higher internet connectivity, need a high speed connection without much interruption, right? So if you have a very weak computer, it will be better you can use browser download. I mean, if you have a very weak internet thing, you can use browser download. I have a medium internet connection, so I've just downloaded using download now. So you can click on anything and it gets automatically changed. And if you are not very familiar, you can even look into the compare download methods to understand individual uh, installation methods in detail, right? So that's it. And in the flip side, we'll see how to activate the video. So I hope you will enjoy this video. We'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye.